Translate Videos AI is a brand new software that has just hit the market, and it's causing a real buzz. If you're looking to elevate your video translation game, stay tuned because today I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Stick around to the end, and I'll tell you how you can try this AI for free and why it might just be a game changer for your video content. First up, Translate Videos AI is an incredibly powerful tool that automatically translates your videos into multiple languages in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this tool takes the heavy lifting out of translating videos for international audiences. And the best part? It supports a wide range of languages, ensuring you can reach audiences across the globe. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. Translate Videos AI is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be a tech genius to get it working. All you need to do is upload your video, select the target languages, and let the software work its magic. It uses state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms to generate translations that feel natural and accurate. And the AI even syncs the translated text with your video's timing, meaning your captions appear at the right moment without any manual adjustments. Another great feature is its accuracy. The software doesn't just translate words, it understands the context. This means you get translations that are far more reliable and fluent than simple word-for-word translations that often sound robotic. Plus, it's constantly learning and improving, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding the nuances of your videos. What really sets Translate Videos AI apart from other translation tools is its ability to work with various video formats. Whether you're uploading YouTube videos, webinars, or corporate training content, it handles everything with ease. It's perfect for businesses that need to quickly scale their global presence without dealing with the headache of manually translating content or hiring expensive translators. The software also integrates seamlessly with platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and even Zoom, which makes it incredibly efficient for creators who already publish content on these platforms. You can instantly translate your existing content and expand your reach across multiple countries, all within a few clicks. One of the most exciting things about Translate Videos AI is its affordability. Most professional translation services can cost hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars, but this tool gives you high-quality translations at a fraction of the price. Plus, there's no need to wait weeks for results. You can have your videos translated and ready for distribution in just a few minutes. And finally, let's talk about the trial. You can try this software completely free through the link in the description below. That's right, no risk, no commitment, just upload your first video and see how quickly and accurately the software translates it. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final reason to check out Translate Videos AI. It's an absolute time saver. If you've ever struggled with the complexities of translation and captioning, you know how time-consuming and frustrating it can be. This AI eliminates those pain points, leaving you with more time to focus on your content strategy and growth. So, if you're serious about expanding your video reach internationally, don't hesitate to give this tool a try. The link is in the description, along with some of my other favorite AI tools that I've personally tested. Tools that I highly recommend after trying thousands of different software solutions. You'll get the best experience, and who knows? This might just be the AI that transforms the way you create and share content. Remember to check out those free trials in the description. I'll see you in the next video.